Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the France 1996 home shirt with none other than Zinedine Zidane on the back. This shirt was purchased from bestzv1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I've kept with the French theme along with the international theme because we are now into the Euro, so I thought I would just continue, and there's nothing better than looking at the latest French shirt that we looked at on the last video to then look at a good old retro from 1996. So the shirt itself comes in a standard bag. On the flip side, it does have the usual health warnings. So I mentioned this shirt was purchased from bestzv1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of the video. I'll also see if I can find a DHgate link as well. If you are new around here, make sure you hit the like and subscribe, as I do this sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If you leave any comments, questions or messages below, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. What we'll do now is we'll get this France 1996 Zinedine Zidane shirt out of the bag and we'll have a deeper look. Okay, we're on the front of the shirt and straight away I'm just loving how retro this shirt looks. It's just oozing it. On the sleeve we have the Euro 96 patch and also the French flag. Actually both been glued on or heat pressed on, even though it's got like stitching lines around it. It's definitely been, I don't know, he says that. It has been stitched in. I couldn't actually feel those. Got a proper collar. With all these collars, the end bits are not the best, but it looks good. Got the drawstring here to pull your shirt in at the top with the little white bit behind for the collar. French flag. It's been embroidered on. Looks quite nice actually. Likewise, the Adidas has been embroidered on, and the number 10 will have been heat pressed on. The Adidas stripes are actually down the sleeve, and they've been embroidered into the material. At the bottom, we have the official garment, and that has been stitched in. I do like this shirt. I actually really like the pattern in the back as well. I think that looks quite smart. So you've got the French emblem plastered all over the shirt. But yeah, there's the front of our shirt. We'll flip it around and we'll have a look at the back as well. Okay, we're now onto the back, and the collar follows around. I do like the fact that it's got like the French colours in the collar. I think that's really smart. Just a standard join on the sleeve. And obviously we did go for Zidane on the back of this one, and that's all been heat pressed on. Slight raise of the texture, but I think it's gone on relatively well actually. Crease there from where the shirt's been in the bag, but nothing to worry about. We'll have a proper look when we're on the inside. But I think this all feels nice. So the only bobbling is just from the shirt being in the bag, so I'm not overly concerned by that at the moment. But we will have a proper look, as I said, when we flip the shirt around and look at the inside. Put my hand under it, you can just about see my fingers. So it gives you an indication of how see-through and how lightweight the material is. It is quite a shiny feel actually. It feels quite nice. But the hemline and the joins all look good. And it is nice actually having a name on this one, because it is obviously an iconic shirt for the legend that is Zidane. So we'll flip it inside out and we'll take a look at that now. Okay, we're now on the inside. And we'll start with this little join here. So let's off that bit of material where the laces were on the other side, which just brings the shirt together. French crest, which has been embroidered in, as I mentioned. There's a little bit of card there, and in the Adidas as well. Any of that sort of card, I'll just put some warm water on it and then it'll pull off. Relatively simple. I wouldn't just yank it off now because it might pull off some of your stitching. The Adidas emblem, a lot of loose threading on there. A pair of scissors will sort it out, but there is a lot there. And to be fair, there's a fair bit on the French flag as well. The patches on the side, again more of the card, which you can get rid of. Actually, that one's come off really quite easy. I will pull that off probably when I've got two hands at it. And there's a patch that I wasn't sure was actually embroidered in, but it is. We have the number 10 here, and that is proper smooth, no creases at all. And then we had the authentic French product down at the bottom, which has been embroidered in. That looks nice and tidy. We do have our washing instructions on this side. Remember, when you're washing these shirts, flip it inside out and put it on a hand wash setting in your washing machine. When you come to dry it, just let it hang dry. Do not put it in your tumble dryer. The odd loose thread up there, but apart from that, stitching is not too bad at all. And there was a lot of it on this shirt, as you can see where it's all been put together. Okay, we've got the final part of the shirt now. And we do have a standard Adidas tag, size XL, with a France product tag, again size XL. All your washing instructions inside. To be fair, I wouldn't even iron these shirts. This one is really creased, but once it's been worn or just hung up for a while, it'll be absolutely fine. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't iron it. So we've got the Zidane print here, and there's no creases in the Zidane. The creases are just where the shirt has been in the bag. We've got the number 10, again, feeling it. Those creases are just from the bag, they're not from where it's been put on, so you know they've been gone on really well. You can probably see my hand a little bit better now. It's on the white side actually, to give you the indication of how lightweight and see-through the material is. But I'm never too bothered by that, because when I wear them I tend to wear either something underneath it, or if it's quite warm out, so actually having a lightweight thin material is really quite nice. And there is our France 1996 or Euro 1996 home shirt with Zinedine Zidane on the back. I don't think I showed you the patches on this side actually. I showed you the Euro patch on the other side, but on this one you've got the fair play and again the French flag. So heat pressed on and embroidered in. So apologies if I didn't show that. I can't remember if I did or not. The shirt was purchased from bestzv1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of the video. For me, this is just oozes retro. I think it looks absolutely amazing. I think I said at the start, I do love the fact that they've got the French crest all plastered through the material. I think that looks really smart. And obviously, had to go for Zinedine Zidane on such an iconic shirt. So if you have enjoyed this one, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. The seller of this one was bestzv1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of the video. If I can, I'll leave a DHgate link as well. I hope you have enjoyed this one. Thank you for watching. Definitely kept with the international theme and the French theme. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.